Hello everyone. Today I am going to solve question number 1323 of LeetCode, which is maximum 69 number. So first I will explain the question, then the approach, and then I will write the code in C++, and then I will submit it. So let's read the question. You are given a positive integer num consisting only of digits 6 and 9. Return the maximum number you can get by changing at most one digit, which means we have to change only one digit and we can't change more than that. For example, if the input is 9669, we can only change the one digit which is one of that to get the output, which is 9969. So one thing which you can notice that to get the maximum number, we don't have to change 9 to 6, as it will just make the number smaller. So what we have to do is, we will have to find the first 6 which appears in the number. For example, here it's the 6 at the second place, here at the fourth place, and then convert it to 9 and then record it if it has changed, and then make the number by that. So what we will do is, we will create a vector. In that we will store the digits in reverse order using the modulus and division, and then what we will do is, we will traverse in that vector in the reverse order. For example, if we first store the digits, it will be like 6999, and if we traverse in that vector reverse order, it will be 9996. So basically we can find the first 6 which appears like that, and we will use a bool, and we will use a flag to check whether 6 has been changed or not, and then we will solve it by left. So let's create a vector. Now why we are using num as the last number? As we can see, the constants are 1 to 10,000, which means the maximum number which we can get is 9999. So we can use the num as number, as the maximum I will go is to 4. So there is no chance that I will go to 6 or 9, and which will not help in our case. So we will use pushback and store the last digit of the number using modulus, and then remove the digit using division. So what it will do is, it will separate all the digits in the vector, and then we will clear it using this. Now let's create a bool flag to check whether a digit has been changed or not. We will initialize it to false. Now let's traverse in the vector, the digit vector, but in the reverse order. Now if the digit is 6, the first 6, we will have to change it to 9. And also we will have to check if the flag which we have put is at false. So let's convert the digit to 9 and the flag to true. Now what will happen that if the flag is true, it will never again enter the if condition, and like that we can only convert the first 6 to 9. And let's create a number now. To getting the number, we will use a multiply, and then we will use digit of 9 of I, and then multiply it with 10. For example, if there are 3 digits 669, the first will convert to 9, so 9, that will multiply to 10, so 90, then 6, 96, and then 969, like that. Now let's return our number, the answer. Okay, there is a problem. Oh, here it will be plus, not multiply, sorry. Wait a minute. Okay, so I will explain what happened. So what we first did was that this. Which basically means so that's why we got the wrong answer previously, so sorry for that. As you can see, we passed all the 3 test case. Now let's submit it. As you can see, we got the runtime of 0 millisecond, which is 100% of the people, and memory is at 7.94 MB. So the complexity of this question is the runtime complexity as of O of D, where D is the number of digits in the particular number, and the space complexity is also O of D, as use vector to store all the digits one at one. So if you like my explanation, give a like, and for more such LeetCode explanation, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.